Hi everyone, I'm Chef Nora, one of the chefs at Whole Health Every Day, and I just wanted to share a little bit about myself.
What made you want to become a chef?
I love to eat.
What is your signature dish?
My mom's Korean braised short ribs,
What are the five ingredients you can't live without?
butter, salt, garlic, sesame oil, and eggs.
What do you love about cooking?
Creating people enjoying food.
When you're creating a new recipe, what influences you and inspires you?
Trying different ingredients, reading food I've tasted while traveling.
What advice would you give a new cook?
Work clean, manage time, never stop learning, don't have an ego, and accept criticism. Not everyone's going to like your food.
What are you doing when you're not cooking?
Spending time with my family and friends, watching sports, checking out markets.
What are your guilty pleasures?
Fresh baguette with salted butter, Costco soft serve, and Korean dramas.
What five tools should every new cook have in the kitchen?
Sharp knives, peeler, microplane, tasting spoons, and a notebook with the Sharpie.
Describe three of your favorite tips or techniques you use in the kitchen.
Making purees with only a tiny amount of liquid to maximize flavor of the vegetables, filleting a whole fish, and cooking a perfect omelet, which actually I learned from the great chef Andre Saltner. All right. Thanks. Hope to be cooking for you soon. Bye.
Let me see.